What's up, crap kids?
Today, using this as our inspiration, we're gonna draw some spooky skeletons. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Today's video is inspired by this arts and crafts project right here, done by Landon, probably when he was in kindergarten. What you're gonna need for today's activity: scissors, piece of black paper each, a piece of white paper so you can cut these little skulls out, and Q-tips. 11 Q-tips each will do. One other thing you will need is some Elmer's glue will do, or any type of glue.
Hot glue.
Hot glue would work, although it's dangerous, so maybe have a parent around. I would not use glue stick because it's not the kind of project for a glue stick. We saved a little bit of time and we already cut the skulls out. So what you'll do is just, it doesn't have to be perfect, does it, Odin?
No.
No, Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
Fun.
fun. That's right. So you can see ours are not perfect. Don't worry about yours being perfect. Just go ahead and have some fun with it. Try to cut like a pear. It's basically a pear shape for the head. And then we're gonna just first decorate this. We're gonna use Googly Eyes and a Sharpie. You need a Sharpie. I need a Sharpie. We can mark where we're gonna put the eyes. And we'll just put the eyes on top of it. And then, do you need some help? Those gloves are slippery, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then we'll draw some chattery teeth. So I'm gonna put some eyes right in this zone here. And I'm gonna make sure that I make them small enough that I can cover them with googly eyes. Next, we're gonna do a little spot where the nose would be.
So this is the triangle.
Yeah, it's like a triangle, and it's gonna be covered in. I'm gonna color mine in black. Next, chattery teeth. So the chattery teeth are gonna. I'm gonna really just draw. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna draw a rectangle. And then inside that rectangle, I'm gonna draw one line across, and then 1, 2, 3 lines up. Ooh, he's got chattery teeth. Okay.
Check out how to draw a jack-o'-lantern. Link in the description.
We're gonna pull out the old googly eyes. Hey, you're scaring everybody, man. Thanks, dude.
Welcome.
Now we got our googly eyes on there. Next, we need to glue him and his head in place, and then we're gonna start gluing on all of these Q-tips. Let's get a little bit of that glue out. We would use a glue stick for this part, but we're kind of out of glue sticks. Let's get a piece of scrap paper. Let's put a little glue on here for both of us. That's plenty for both of us. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your skull and turn it over, and you're gonna dip your finger in. You're gonna dip your finger in and just, because we don't want it to get too much on the back or it'll just make it wrinkly. There's a thin layer everywhere. Okay? And once you have that done, you take it and you come back over here and you put it on the paper. Okay, stick that on there where you think it should go. Push it down all around. Good. Now it's time
For
the Q-tips. Okay, and you can do these however you want. I think if we all follow the same method on the body, then you can do your arms and legs however you want to do it. But again, we're inspired by what Landon did. We don't have to make it exactly like what Landon did, right?
well, we have to do the body.
I'm going to do the body the same.
Same.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay out 5 Q-tips going horizontally. Okay?
What's horizontally?
This way, from like side to side. Up and down is vertically. Okay? Now, what you're gonna do, we're gonna glue those down eventually, but we wanna make sure they're spread out the right distance and they reach from one end of this vertical Q-tip to the other. Okay? So we want them to be spaced out just like that. Okay? Once you have this pattern, you can start gluing. Okay, Odin. Now you're gonna match that, okay? So we now have our rib cages on. So basically what these are. And the next deal we're gonna do is glue this on. So we're gonna have to glue it again on the cotton up top there and there. All right, now my job is to do the same. Look at that. Okay, next. You wanna do the arms, Odin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for the arms, you can leave them straight if you want, or you can add a little bend. You take your Q-tip, you find the middle, and you use your thumbs and your fingers to make a bend. So now it's like the skeleton has an elbow joint. Okay, and you could leave one bent, one straight. You could bend one more than the other. Like I'm only gonna bend this one very slightly. But again, I'm gonna find that midpoint, use my fingers and my thumbs, and now I'm going to have my skeleton kind of waving as he's walking, maybe. Very slight bend, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's also waving. He's kind of opposite my guy, huh?
He's waving to them.
He's waving to him. Okay, cool. So, very simply, we're gonna put a dab of glue on the cotton. We can glue it like that, and then again, take and put a little dab of glue on the cotton. Okay?
Okay.
Now the legs are gonna be fun. So they'd be in just a little bit. So we're gonna do legs like this. Once you have them where you want them, and I'm not gonna bend my legs. I think you could bend them if you wanted to, but I'm gonna make mine straight. Put a little glue on each end. Lay that down where you want it. And then Odin will do the same. It's a super cool little project, isn't it, bud?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's got them crossed?
Mm-hmm.
I love it. There, that's so neat. What a great idea you had. Now we could be done, but we have this one last Q-tip. And it's actually the only Q-tip that gets cut. Some people just want to cut it in half, but I think that makes his foot way too big. So I'm gonna just cut a little bit. Oh, I forgot how hard Q-tips were to cut. Oh, that's gonna ruin the scissors if we do that.
Oh no.
How about Dad cuts it, because you need an adult to do this. Oh, you have to go get that one. Oh no! Oh no!
No.
Oh. I don't think I ruined it too bad. So if you elect to cut these Q-tips, please have an adult around to help you with that, because it's really hard to get through them with scissors. All right, kiddo. So, what do you think? Pretty sweet,
love
huh?
it.
Ready for a fist bump? 1, 2, 3. Ghost of John, 6 feet tall with no skin on. Ooh.
No, Dad, it's.
I don't remember it.
Have you seen the ghost of John? Ghost of John.
You're much better than me at singing that. So just do Have You Seen the Ghost of John? And that's enough. We don't know
10 feet strong with no skin on. Hee, 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 hee.
Good job, Odin. So these are our cool, quick craft skeletons. You know yours is upside down. You okay with that?
Mhm.
Odin's just doing a handstand.
Our first grade.
Maybe. So we decided to do our own version of it. We just put our own little spin. Just did some googly eyes. Is the only really thing different that we did. But what a cool project, and we just wanted to share it with you. So thank you for doing that, Landon.
The mystery guest is.
In case you didn't know who the skeleton next to me was, it's Odin.
Yeah.
Hopefully you did it along with us. If you didn't, there's still time before Halloween to get this thing done. So, with that being said, check out some of our videos on Craft Kids TV. We have a whole Halloween playlist. I will link that in the description. Until we see you next time. Keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye!